I think I put my camera on. So we are going hiking, and hopefully we're going to see a waterfall. So my wife is taking me to this park.
In 800 feet, turn right.
I don't know where we at, y'all, but we've been driving through a lot of properties that look like slave owners lived there. Okay, we've been driving past a lot of old people with liver spots. Okay.
You can't say that. You're gonna get unsubscribed from. They're gonna call the FCC on your ass or something like that.
Listen, I'm just saying, I'm being honest. I ain't saying that wrong. They do got liver spots. See,
Cheek.
Turn right on the north.
I told you that.
Did you just tell that lady what's up? That old lady, what's up? Cheek. Old lady with little liver spots. She had a big butt though. She did have fat booty. Granny had a fat booty.
I just smacked it.
So if y'all don't hear from me no more, I'm out here in the woods.
We in Hartford
Turn
County.
right onto Norris Boulevard.
Hartford County. Somewhere. It's beautiful though. So I don't know. Yeah. Today is still September.
Oh.
Yeah, it's still September. It's like the 25th. Yeah. We're in Hartford County. And it's beautiful. It's some beautiful homes out here. So much land. I want to buy some land, y'all. It's so much land. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just wish it was like an abundance of land to purchase in a city. In any city. Okay, I'm a city girl. I'm just impressed that it's traffic.
That's a sunflower farm. All this.
Sunflower. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's a sunflower farm. We be back. Oh shit, the sheriff's office. Oh. Okay, to get to the waterfall, I have to walk across. How gorgeous is that waterfall? Like, oh my God. Isn't it beautiful? We're about to go up there and look at it from the top. It's beautiful. Oh wow. Oh shit. Babe, are you okay? You okay? You okay? Oh shit, check your phone. Put it in your bra, babe. Hey, babe. Babe.
What?
Is your hip okay?
My lip?
Hip.
Oh.
Turn around. Turn around. Her whole side wet. Oh my God. Oh my God. But she told me to be careful. Look at her pants. Gorgeous. Baby. How you feel?
I feel okay for now.
For now?
Yeah, hopefully my old bones won't be hurt when I get home.
So are you a hiker now since you fell?
Yeah, definitely. I fell off a mountain.
It wasn't at a mountain. It wasn't a mountain. So I'm getting hungry. Well, we getting hungry. So I'm going to close this video out. This is a good idea, wasn't it?
It was definitely beautiful.
I randomly said I want to go to a waterfall. Look over there. It's beautiful. If you are in Maryland and you like to hike, come to Killgore Falls. Is that the name of it?
Yep.
Until next time. Bye, y'all.